Well, need to send personalized letters, labels, or emails to dozens of people? Don't just type them one by one. Nah, use mail merging. I'll show you how to do it in just 5 minutes. And of course, as usual, it's your big guy, it's your man, it's your your savior, your top dog, Tech Wallop. Today, trying to teach you what they call mail merging. So let's dive into it. You'll first and foremost you'll have to prepare your data source, whereby you'll open a Microsoft Excel worksheet, and of course you'll label it recipients. Start with your data. Create an Excel sheet with column headers like name, address, and email, each row in or any other reference frame that you'll be inputting into your letter. Each row is a recipient. Save the file and you'll use it to connect it with Word next. Now you will go back to your Word document or your mail or the main body of your letter and continue with the setup. Once you're in Word, go to the mailing tab, select Start Merge, and choose your document type. Like for instance, here we have letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, directory, and we're writing a letter today, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. This sets up the layout for you. Now, yeah, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to start thinking of which type of letter you're writing. For a formal letter, you always start with an address at the left, at the right, and I'm going to make a custom style letter. Now, to connect and insert the merge fields, well, we shall go on and we shall click select recipients, and we shall use an existing list, and of course we shall be looking for an Excel file. Look for where you had saved your recipients list and open, and that's it. Okay, now you can insert your different fields where they actually are supposed to be. We go into insert merge fields, where our address shall be right there. Close. Next, left side, we shall put in our name. Yep. Close. And I think down around the bottom at the end, we shall put in our email. Insert. Close. And now don't be shy to put in the details of your letter. Well, now you can use preview results to check how each document looks like. And of course, how could I forget? You can now preview your results. As you can see, the first one, Death Adam, his address is in Kandak. Death Adam, his email, Sanjinu, South Korea, his email, Ayanokoji, Tokyo, email, Uzui Tengen, Osaka, email. Now this is just my sample, but you can actually make your own. And after all this is done, you can finish, and in case you want to add some other things, you can edit personally. Well, that's all I had for today, and please remember, Mailmerge saves time and adds a personal touch. Subscribe for more smart word tips and stay above the pump as usual. Tech Warlock signing out.